Following up to replace this board, display, whatever you want to call it. This is a nice fun one. Got it. Don't want to do nothing. Plugged it in, unplugged it. But guess they thought it was never gonna need service. Did the factory reset. Nice fun one. So I'll remove this shelf, took the screws off, see if I could access it a little better. So in order to get the top shelf off, I had to remove both doors. Now let's see if we can get to it a little better. I'm gonna unplug it. Looks like the green wire already got nicked. Right off. Power's off. Now we can mess with it. So somebody already tried to cut it with the snips, but it only goes too far, so pull out the grinder, see what we got. See. Finally got it out. But need a new pair of snips. Have a new one ready to go. Just gotta slide in the pin. Old one out. Got it in. Screw down. Time to plug it in. Nice and plugged in right there. Put the top cover on. Relays just clicked on. It's the old one. Open it up. Never replaced one before. Looks like I was getting water on it. Cut it a little cleaner. Gotta clean it up a little bit. One thing I see, looks like something happened right there. Just went into harvest, 14 minutes and 5 seconds. Started on its 4th cycle. Cleaned it up. Got rid of the sharp edges. Gonna put it back on, just for a cover. And I left the top piece on there.